Surprise natin siya ng happy birthday. Open! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
Love you! Happy birthday! Happy ka? Ganda? Wow!
Thank you.
You're welcome! Enjoy your day!
Wala ka din?
Meron! Nasa baba, 10.
Thank you.
You're welcome!
But wait, there are more people who wants to greet you.
Hi. Hello, birthday mom. I'm so grateful and thankful for your life. I'm happy that you're celebrating your birthday another year because I know this last year.
Hi Ob, happy 29th birthday. First of all, I just want to say na I'm really grateful that God allowed us to meet and naging good friends tayo. You are a blessing, not only to me but to the whole Livingstone family. I pray na whatever your heart's desires are, mag-grant ni Lord yun, and may you continue to be a blessing to the people around you. And yun, enjoy your day, and God bless always. See you soon. Bye.
Hi ate! Sorry na, wala akong paramdam ngayon. Alam mo naman ang hoat na to. Very hardworking siya, na kahit sa sarili wala ng oras. Pero wag ka po mag-alala kasi alam ko na birthday mo na. Alam mo, nakalimutan ko. So ito po yung short message ko po. Yon, thank God for your life and for the way He uses you to lead us sa bawat prayer, advice at simpleng presensya niyo po. Naramdaman namin ng love and guidance po talaga ng Lord na kahit yung simpleng magla-life group po tayo, simpleng kwentuhan, tawanan, kahit sa maliit na bagay, sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung ganong bonding po natin. And namimiss ko na po, bawi po ako next time. Yon, hindi man ganun kadaling mag-lead, pero nananatili ka pong faithful. And that alone inspires us po. Thank you po sa heart mo sa pag-serve sa church. You remind us to trust God more, love deeper, and walk in faith daily po. I pray na patuloy kayong palakasin ng Panginoon, punuin ka nawa ng panatag na puso at ibalik po sa inyo lahat ng pagmamahal na binubuhos nyo rin po sa iba. Happy birthday Ate Obs, and may God's favor and grace be upon you always po.
Happy birthday, Happy! You're a blessing for us.
Yes, happy birthday, Ma. You are a blessing to us, our family. Thank you for everything that you do for the church, for your family, for your friends. Know that you are seen, loved by many, and isa na kami doon. Sobrang grateful kami sa buhay mo, and we love you. Lagi lang kami nandito for you and for the Soto family.
And you're a good leader in the creatives.
Wow! Happy birthday, Ma. God bless you, and we appreciate you. Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Anya. Wish ko lang sa'yo na good health, kahit na mag-iisip sa sarili mo. Love you.
Ayun, so sana maganda yung future mo with Kuya Pito, and just stay healthy lagi. Ingat. Love you. Wala po ako maisip. Love you po.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Aubrey. I hope you're having a very great time. And I miss you. See you soon. Enjoy life long. And thank you for all of the kind words you have shared with me and of the good advices that you're sharing with me. For the knowledge that you have imparted me with you, Christ. Our Lord Jesus, I'm hoping you have a good year with you. I know ano pang mangyari. Bond tayo soon. See you soon. I miss you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bella. Enjoy your special day. Yung gift ko, papunta na dyan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Aubrey! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Vera!
Happy birthday, Nina. Happy, I love you. I need you.
Gusto mo akong mawala sa buhay mo?
Happy birthday, Ate Mela. We love you so much. So much, so much. More blessings.
Happy birthday, Bri! God bless, enjoy your birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. Ate Aubrey po ba yung pangalan niya, ma'am? Happy birthday, Aubrey Soto. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagsuporta mo sa akin. God bless you, and
Happy blessed birthday, Aubrey. Naway pagkaloob na ni Lord lahat ng desire ng iyong puso. God bless.
Aubrey, happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Aubrey, happy birthday! God bless you.
More power.
Happy birthday, Aubrey! Wish ko, magkakapo na ako next year. Na? Wish ko kaya good health pong sana next year magkakapo na ako sa inyo. I love you. God bless. Happy more birthday to come. Pwede na yun. Love you, miss you. See you on Sunday. Ikaw naman.
Birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Madam Bob. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo is good health. Kahit na-insured ka at may issue mo, huwag pababayaan ang sarili, okay? More success, more business, more racket, more gala, and more favor from God, of course. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ob.
Hi, Berb. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, or prayer namin sa'yo ay patuloy yung pagpapala sa life group mo, sa family mo, sa lahat ng aspect ng buhay mo, sa work mo. So, thank you for lahat-lahat for being our extended family. Ayan, appreciate ka namin. And we love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Ay ate, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Yeah, more blessings to come. Love you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you sa love and care na binibigay mo sa amin lagi, and we're so lucky to have you. Wish ko sa birthday mo is full of joy, love, happiness, and good memories. Love you!
Happy birthday, Miss Aubrey! Maraming salamat sa pagiging octopus sa church. And we appreciate you very much, Miss Aubrey. God bless you more!
Hi all, happy birthday. Kamusta ang birthday mo? I hope and pray busog ka ngayon. I am just thankful for your life, for being a great blessing to the church, to my family, to me personally of course, and of course sa lahat ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. I just want to appreciate you for being faithful, available, teachable, and submissive. Continue fighting the good fight of faith. Keep on the fire, lalo na sa wildfire, sa creative ministry. I appreciate you for always trying your best kasi alam ko, most of the time nilalagay ka ni Lord sa mga places na kung saan talagang nai-stretch ka. And I could see your heart giving your best. Hindi talagang alam ko minsan may mga times na nahirapan, pero I appreciate you for showing up, for being excellent as well. So lamang pong malaman mo na ang prayer ko sa'yo is may you somehow grasp and understand how wide, how deep, how long, how high is the love of the Lord for you, and never underestimate God's grace in your life. Kahit ano man ang mangyari at nangyayari, grabe ang mercy ni Lord, grabe ang grace ni Lord sa buhay mo at sa buhay ng pamilya mo, sa inyo ni Aldrin at sa kanya-kanya nating mga pamilya. I appreciate you, thank you so much, and happy birthday. Kailan ka mag-preach? Bye-bye.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Another year? Another blessing? Mas lalo kang maganda sa paningin ni Lord ngayon. So, praying for you, your life, Mare. Praying for joy, peace, and wins in your life. So, ang prayer ko sa iyo ngayon, praying na ibigay sa iyo ni Lord lahat ng desire ng puso mo. Pero syempre, sa will ni Lord yun. Stay kind, stay faithful, and God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mela. We love you always. Have a nice day.
Hi, Nak. Happy birthday. I'm happy kung ano man yung narating mo ngayon, yung mga na-achieve mo. And you never forget to look back kung saan ka nanggaling. Yung ayaw ko mag-message kasi naiyak ako. Basta masaya ka. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Sana ma-achieve mo pa lahat ng gusto mong marating. Andito lang ako palagi. Alam mo yan, always. Hindi nagbabago yun. You will always be my baby. I love you. Happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy to you! Yung si Ate Mela, happy to you!
Walang, mahangin.
Blow na, kunyari!
Birthday wish.
It's Ate Dede!
Yay!
Blow! 1, 2, 3!
Wala.
O, you say happy to you to Ate Mela!
Happy birthday. Oh!
Wow!
Napaka-sweet naman.
Sweet naman! I love you! O, I love you!
I love you too.
Oh, no! Thank you!
Grabe naman. Oh!
Pinipiligan mo pa! Kiss mo na, kiss! Kiss mo na siya, kiss mo na! Ay, ginawa yun.
Dito muna naman.
Meron
Thank
ka
you,
to
thank
sa
you.
iyo.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Sana ako kayo nabili ng gulong. Ito na.